This is Lionel Messi. And this is my robot that I built.
Oh shoot! Wait! So during COVID lockdown, I was very bored, and my friend Howard got a robot kit, and he claimed that he could build a better robot than I can. So to settle our differences, we decided to have a robot match between his robot and my robot. Okay, so this is Coco Wheels 1, and we just kind of mashed everything together, fitting it on this plate because I'm really excited to drive this. So the basic rundown is 2 H-Bridges that can control both, but one of them can control 2 motors, and an Arduino Mega so that we have enough PWM pins, a 12-volt battery pack, and this thing packs a lot, and a breadboard to just do all the power and ground wiring, and a receiver. A lot of stuff. We're hoping to refine it in Coco Wheels 2, but here we go. With my maneuverability, Howard couldn't compete with me. If he was a tortoise, I was the hare.
Get trucked, buddy. Get trucked, buddy. Get out of here.
Oh, you need to have something cooking.
This is the pre-competition interview. Howard.
It's a warm up.
Howard, how are you feeling about the competition?
I can easily win.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What are you thinking? Are you feeling pretty good?
Pretty good.
Okay. Christopher, how are you feeling?
No chance.
Oh,
No chance.
so there you go. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go!
Go!
Defense.
Christopher gets the ball first, but he can't control. Oh! It's a slugfest. Wait. Didi, can you push it in a little bit? Yeah, it's too much this time.
So I had no way of controlling the ball, and I could not turn. So what you'll see next is a bunch of failed tries of scoring. I was super close, but not there.
Oh, where's the defense? Oh, where's the defense? It's getting close. 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 Oh! Christopher's ball. I think it's right.
Good game, yeah. I'll beat you next time as well.
So part of the reason Howard won the first round was I did not have turning, and he had something to control the ball, and I did not. So my robot is mostly rounded edges, so every time the ball came to me, it just like bounced off in a random direction. We plan to fix this for round 2. Okay, so this car is built with Mecanum wheels, and the way these treads look, the reason these treads look really weird is because this can only work with like, I think 4 or more wheel drive. And what happens is, the ability that these wheels can do is you can move side to side without turning. So ours is not that well calibrated, but you get the idea. Something like that. So then this allows you to like make a circle, but you still only look forward. You can go diagonals on all sides. And this just allows for greater maneuverability. And this is how I'm hoping to beat Howard.
Okay, so basically it traps the ball in here, so you can't bump it out. And then I can just dribble it in.
So how do you think you're going to do today against Chris?
Easily.
Easily.
Easy win. Easy win.
How confident are you?
Pretty confident.
Alright.
We have turning now, and this is a V shape so that the ball automatically goes into the middle so that it gets caught in there, and you always get like a perfect aim instead of from the side.
So how are you feeling about today's match?
Amazing.
Well, let's find out.
With that first easy goal, there was no way I could have lost. I was so confident. But then Howard pulled out his secret move. Something's smoking. Shoot. Not my fault.
Is it in yet?
It's not in yet.
It's not in yet.
Okay,
Is someone smoking?
My H-Bridge fried again.
Really?
And Howard's stuck.
Oh, your thing
I
fried
fried.
again?
Yeah, my thing fried.
No more control?
No more control.
Alright, I think that's it for today then.
I'm scoring.
Alright.
Make it most 30. Make it most 30. And how do you need to make it faster?
No, make yours better.
What do you mean? It's an H-Bridges burn!
Yeah, this is your problem.
Okay, so we are using PWM signals to control our motors, and here is a PWM signal. So this is an oscilloscope, which means it shows like how much electricity is running through these 2 pins right here. And your body can conduct the electricity because if you touch one end, then you see it's like it goes flatline, and then you touch it and it's just pulls a little bit. It's not much, but so here, let me show you what PWM is. If you're not familiar with it, it's basically controls motors by making every so often makes a 1 signal for so long and then a 0 for so long. So that it's like every like really small moment of time, it turns the motor a little bit and just does it really, really fast, so that it eventually becomes a circular motion. Okay, so here is my transmitter, and I am measuring this PWM signal from my receiver to see just what a PWM signal looks like. And the highest point of a PWM signal, that's 1, and the bottom is 0. So this shows how fast a motor can go. So if I increase the speed, then the width of that power pulse gets longer, so that it sends more power at once. And if I pull it back, then it goes shorter, and this makes like whatever you're flying either go lower or drive slower. So this works for any one of these joysticks, but for now I'm just showing the up and down one.
Okay, so basically, for my new model, we have 4 motors in here, and it's like a medium gear who's pushing a small gear. So if the medium gear goes 1 round, it goes like multiple rounds for the small, and we stabilized it. And then for the front, we just made it really long, and this is for like the ball can go in, but it'll be harder to get out. So yeah.
So how are you feeling about today's competition?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Pretty good, especially because he didn't make any changes. So I think, you know.
Okay.
But I think he might be able to break this if he rams into it.
Oh, key information! Key!
Alright.
So not much changes on my part. I think we're still gonna beat them, but we just lowered the max voltage that my car can go to by 5%, so hopefully it won't burn out H-Bridges in 2 seconds. But other than that, nothing much changed. I think I'm gonna kill him again in 10 seconds like last time.
Well, you didn't kill me last time.
Start of round 3. 3, 2, 1, go! Wait, how are you so fast?
Whoa.
What happened?
As usual, I got the first point very easily. But then also as usual, I burnt out after the first point. I asked you to kick your butt.
Alright, so Chris, are you gonna play with the injury?
Yeah,
Even though you only have 3 motors? How are you feeling?
amazing.
Alright.
1 to 0, 3-wheel to 4-wheel.
Wait, hang on a second. Hold on, this match here, how it starts next to the ball. Alright,
Yeah.
ref, hurry up.
Oh yeah, because it's
3! Wait, when I say go. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, injury.
Get out of here.
Block the door.
Yeah, it touched.
no, there's no change.
It did touch?
Okay, the robot's not working. We have subbed it out with this. This shall carry me to victory. No matter. We shall be carried. And
And what is this?
it is a RC car, well, modified one that me and my friend built like a couple of years ago in 5th grade. And it has no torque. It's hopefully faster than Howard's. But we're gonna beat him nonetheless.
Alright, here.
Howard was so confident, and he was right. When I pulled out the small car, I got obliterated.
Oh, I got one.
2, 1, go!
So small, so cute.
No!
Easy. Thanks, man, for turning me. Wrong. It touched.
What?
Chris.
Okay, so we can smell the smoke. I don't think you can see it anymore,
We
but
got the dub. Put that in the video.
Okay, so I can clearly beat Howard, but right now the only reason I'm losing is after the first match I just burn out and pretty much have to forfeit. So first of all, we're thinking of like minimizing the amount of time it takes to switch H-bridges, but also maybe we should just use 2. So for the back, we can use one H-bridge for one motor and use a second one for the other motor. And this worked for another robot car that we built, so hopefully it works for this one. If that doesn't work, our second option is this bigger H-bridge that can handle up to 30 volts. So the good thing about it is that clearly can handle that and much more. The bad thing is maybe there's like a voltage drop just because of it's meant for so much more, so, and maybe some resistance. But hopefully this works. I think that this will be the best option. We can save these for a later project, but if that doesn't, this better work. So after round 3, I decided that we may have to add a new weapon, a new secret tool that will bring me to victory. And this is just that. Now we got the pneumatic setup with, here is a electric solenoid and a regulator that allows air to pass in. So if I have, this is just for testing purposes, but here, now this is 100 PSI of air. It's blocked right here, but once this like turns, it's gonna let it switch to the other side, into here, into this side, and then push the piston out and hit the tennis ball forward. Once we turn off the electric solenoid, it's gonna go back, close this valve, open this one, let air through here, and it's gonna push the piston back into the resting state. So I need to keep it at 100 PSI, and let's turn this on. Moment of truth. Oh my god! Okay, a little bit lackluster. That's fine, it's fine.
Lackluster?
It just, okay. We're gonna, oh god. Okay, so we need to get some more pressure again. Okay, good enough. So we're gonna aim this. Oh my god. Okay, let's try this again.
So how are you feeling about this, Chris?
We're gonna beat him now. He's kind of screwed. Okay, have some more pressure. Okay. You can feel the power holding it. Okay, now let's try this then. Let's try this one.
Alright, Chris.
Guys, this is a success. So we tried putting it onto my car, but then we realized it was way too big and too heavy for my car to handle. And whenever we shoot, the recoil will probably just move my car backwards. So the secret weapon will not work. Okay, so the major change is 2 big fat H-bridges, you know, right here and here. There is a slight, really bad lag, and I think it's because of the refresh rate on the Arduino. And shut up, Howard. And the turning is kind of off too, but other than that, you should be fine.
So how are you feeling about today's round? Wow.
Okay, so I didn't add any major changes, but like I kind of easily destroyed him last time, so I think I can easily destroy him again.
So you're feeling pretty good?
Yeah, I'm feeling really good.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh shit!
Bro, why isn't this turning?
Hold on. Okay. Okay, take it slow, steady.
Bro.
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Bro, this lag is just...
Oh, right there. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Bro.
Dude, I can't get it out.
Wait, is that out of bounds?
I look Chris, so I get first.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh!
Oh, sorry.
Get out of here, kid.
Go.
Good score.
one problem.
That's it. That's it.
Alright, that's it. I was
Let
confident.
go! Let go! Chris, how do you feel?
You're gonna drive. I'm gonna ram you with your own car.
You forfeit.
No, I don't.
Why? Basically, if then you want to keep going?
Yeah, get out of my face.
First
I'm
to
gonna.
five. First to five.
No, I'm not. Next time, Howard.
Then you forfeit.
Oh my god. So, as you can see, in round 4, I had no control at all. And he basically just scored easy goal after easy goal on me. And we went back to the Arduino code, went through line by line, and finally figured out the issue. And the cause was my secret weapon. What happened was I overeagerly put code that will, once we add on the piston, then it'll work automatically, already into the Arduino. What happened now was the Arduino was waiting for a signal to tell it to fire the piston or to not fire the piston, which I never gave because I never put on the piston. So now there was always a delay waiting for that piston, causing the entire thing to stop, delay, and causing the lag. So here is an actually working version of our robot. It won't burn out, and it runs properly.
Is that all you did?
Yes.
And you think that's enough to beat Howard?
Yes.
Alright, we'll find out.
Okay, so I didn't really make much changes to my robot. I just made this sturdier. But I think I can easily beat him
Why are you so confident?
because I've never lost after I've made like the medium gear to the small gear ratio.
Oh, after you made it faster?
Yeah, and he doesn't stand a chance anymore.
Alright, we'll find out.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh shoot! Wait, wait, wait! Let's go!
7 seconds.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1, start!
Yes, sir. Can't stop me now, buddy.
Oh yeah, get man, everybody. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Move your foot. Move your foot.
I'm not going anywhere, buddy.
No, you too.
Moving the goal.
Oh! Let's go! Oh shoot! No.
No.
It's out. It's out. It's behind.
Wait,
It's
what?
behind. It's out.
Wait, you're supposed to start again.
Get rammed, kid. Get rammed, kid.
Overpowered.
Get out of
Oh,
it.
you're getting overpowered, Chris.
Yeah. That's what I thought. Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah. Charge. Such a good
Ref call.
It's not. It's not. It's not, Cindy. It's not. It's not. No.
Cindy's call.
Half an inch. No.
Cindy's call.
No, I think it touches and it bounces.
Yeah.
No.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Oh.
That's out.
No, I can't control. I'm been like going on the side and like.
First touch, you know.
Yeah,
So I have to touch
Ready,
it.
set, go.
Bro. What the heck? What the heck?
Yeah. Get out of here, buddy. Mine now. Come on. Bring it up.
Yeah, keep it out, Joel.
That's a good deal.
Oh, the hell!
It's not touching.
Is it touching now?
Wait, is it touching? I don't know.
No.
You're confident. one of your wheels stuck.
No! Oh shoot. Can I call time? Can I call time? No. Oh! GG! Oh my god! It's so broke!
You also have to thank me because you
Yeah. Also.
Easy. Easy.
All right, shake the ref's hand.
We have to shake Ref's hand. Good game, good game.
Good
My hands so
game.
cold.
I know, my hand is
Okay,
cold.
okay.
So Chris, what happened?
My car broke again. As unreliable as always.
Let's go!
Where did it break? How did it break?
So, I go forward, and that wheel doesn't turn
Oh, why is that?
because the wire fell off. So, Howard won the final match and settled the argument that his robot is better, though I still think mine is. If you wanna find out more about how Mecanum wheels work or learn about how to code the Arduino, I shall put links to the GitHub and videos in the description. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment. I'll answer it as soon as I can. And like and subscribe. Thank you.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, Howard takes control of the ball. He fills it up. Oh, loses control, but don't worry. Has it back in control. Chris, get off. Oh, yeah. Still in Master Hard control. He might do the old 360. Or not. Hey, whoa! Oh. Wait, is that in?
Not yet.
Oh, almost out. That's in. That's literally in. Is that not in?
No, it isn't.
On the
Just
line.
push it.
Bro! Come on!
Howard.
You pushed it. Oh, stop the ball.
Oh, you got it.
Shoot.
You got it.
No! No! Wait.
Is that
Should we play?
Wait, is that out? No, it's not.
Oh, next control. Oh, shoot.
Okay, you got that.
Owner.
It is stuck.
Restart.
Or is it stuck?
Yeah, I think it's stuck.
Oh, I don't know if it's stuck.
Oh! Oh, shoot. Back those. Back those.
Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Get it.
I don't get that. Bye.
I'm not getting that either.
Okay.
Hey Chris, I don't think this is your chance. You have some maneuverability. You should go in there and get it, right?
Go, go. You go faster.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
you change
Then you
the
go
ball.
left, right?
I'm
You can go sideways.
The ball's stuck.
All right, ref says it's stuck.
Okay.
Hey guys, you start.
Why is it twisting?
Okay.
Whoa! Influenced by the players?
Wait.
Let's go, my man.
Okay, go.
Oh, what? Which way you gonna?
Now, 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah. Oh, goes by Christopher. Blows by him. Oh. Oh, shoot. No. Oh. No. Oh, shoot.
Oh, he loses control. Where's it going?
Oh, shoot.
Easy.
Okay.
Easy.
Oh, shoot. Fun's driving. Oh, no. Blows by him. Oh. Goes in. Oh, my God. Oh, shoot. That's out. Out on grid. Let's go. Wait, why in the middle?
No, over there.
That's where it's out.
That's where it's out.
Oh.
Literally right
job.